Hello everyone. Today we shall see the introduction to trigonometry and where it is used in real world. By knowing the usage of trigonometry in the real world, school students can connect the application of the problem and try to align with the goals of the studies. Okay, so what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is, before learning what is trigonometry, let us learn what is a Cartesian coordinate. So you guys may come across the graph paper, graph sheets where you have to plot various points on the graph sheet. You do have x, y, z axis. So let us take the two dimension of the graph sheet. So these normal graph sheets are called as Cartesian coordinates. So in the Cartesian coordinates, it will have the defined x and defined y value. So you can see in the screen where we need to plot the point 2 comma 3. So this 2 comma 3 can be plotted by connecting the coordinates of the x-axis, that is 2, and with the 3 is the y-axis. So connecting these 2 points, you can find the 2 comma 3 points. This is very direct and straightforward with identifying the points through these straight lines. But when it comes to another way of plotting the graph called as polar coordinate system, which is it looks, it's not so direct and straight. It's going to be measured in terms of 360 degrees, as you can see in the right side of this video. Okay, so the right side, you can see that a center point is there where the object is located. So you can, for example, you want to you want to reach some line here, from that particular point. You do not have a definite xy axis, but it has a rotational axis, 360 degree rotational axis. Okay, so this coordinate system is called as polar coordinate system. You do not have xy, so you do not have plot the graph as point 1, point 2. It's 360 degrees, it's rotating. So for this polar coordinate system, the trigonometry functions going to be useful. So the application, the real world application of this polar coordinate system is heavily used in the sea route and navigation system of ships, where the one of the best application that the trigonometry is used nowadays. It's used in each and every subjects, in each and every department. So I could say it's used in the power electronics, it's used in aviation field, it's used in marine applications. So wherever you go, you can find this trigonometry usage. Nothing but it's just locating a point and rotating, by identifying that point and rotating that point with 360 degrees, for which this trigonometry is being used. So now you can see the prerequisites to learn the trigonometry. If you want to learn trigonometry with a deep understanding, you should be very familiarized with angles and lines concepts, which you might learn in the previous classes like 7th standard or 8th standard mathematics. And then you must be familiar with triangle and its theorem. Definitely you can learn in the 7th standard, I hope in the 7th or 8th standard, 8th grade math. So this is very short explanation about the trigonometry. In upcoming videos, I will give a vast explanation about its each and every functions. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.